my lovely viewers and my lovely subscriber. And if you're new here, welcome also, guys. So guys, this morning I'm gonna make some. My sister told me she want saltfish and banana for breakfast. So here I went to buy a tray saltfish and I buy banana. So we're gonna cook banana, and I have a piece of yam here. I'm gonna cook half of it, not much because I don't want no leftover. And I have my onion and scallion here to fry up my saltfish, guys. I have my pot on the fire already. I just put on the pot because she just show up here. So I'm gonna get that going and get my saltfish going also, guys. So guys, now first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put peel my banana and put in this in my pot because that's gonna boil up just now. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna go get this ready, okay, guys? And I'm gonna put on my saltfish after. Okay, guys, my water is boiling, so I'm gonna add my banana, and then I'm gonna peel my slice of yam, and I'm gonna add my piece of saltfish on top of the banana to cook for a couple minutes. So okay, guys, so my banana is in my pot. I'm gonna peel my slice of yam just now. So stay tuned, guys, and keep watching. I hope this can give me 3 slices because I'm gonna have to leave for Mr. John. And now he's gonna come. So 2 finger banana and 1 slice of yam. So okay, guys, I got 3 slices from my yam. Breakfast is gonna be like this morning. Not too much. So guys, I'm gonna rinse my saltfish again until my pot boil up with the banana. It soon will boil up, so I'm gonna rinse my saltfish again. See if I can get some more salt off it before I put it in the pot. So stay tuned, guys, and keep watching. So okay, guys, I'm putting in my 3 slices of yam. And I'm gonna add my saltfish. Just gonna put my saltfish on top for at least 5 minutes, and then I take it out back. Because I'm gonna fry it up with tomato and onion and scallion and black pepper. I take the Jamaican breakfast this morning. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, when I'm cooking for breakfast this morning, you can have it for lunch too, you can have it for supper, whatever time. In Jamaica, you eat any type of food anytime there. We don't have no special time for no special food. We don't have no food for no special time. I'm gonna cut another one. One time I forget where this lady said when she go to Jamaica, and she said when she see the breakfast there, she was surprised. She get boiled banana and dumpling and whatever for breakfast. I say, yeah, it's not only afternoon or lunchtime we cook hard food. We cook it anytime and eat. That's why the kids in Jamaica are so talented, you know. They can run, they can do everything. Anything they're good at, they can do it. Before, when we used to go to school, we used to get up and boil banana and eat before we go to school.
And bring for lunch.
And you bring for lunch too. The same thing we eat for breakfast, we bring it for lunch. Okay guys, so this is my tomato. I'm finished cutting. I'm gonna wash my rest of stuff and I'll be right back. A whole onion, guys. I love to cook with a lot of onion. So I'm gonna cut my 3 head of garlic. Because I'm gonna fry up my onion and my garlic first. Okay, stay tuned guys. I'm gonna get my pot to fry my onion, and I'm gonna wash off my saltfish a third time. So okay guys, I have my frying pan on the fire. I'm gonna add my onion and my garlic and fry it up a little bit. So I'm gonna add my onion. So it's 1 onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Banana is almost cooked. Okay, breakfast is soon be ready. One thing with me, when I'm cooking, I don't take too long to cook. So let me drain my saltfish. Okay guys, I'm gonna fry up my saltfish with my onion. for about 2-3 minutes and before I add the other rest of stuff inside. Give it another minute, guys, and then I'm gonna add my tomato first before I add my bell pepper. Now I'm going to add my tomato. I'm going to cook down for about 3 minutes before I add my bell pepper. Okay guys, I'm going to add some more coconut oil to it for flavor. It's really tough, guys. It's cold here now, so the coconut oil is very hard. I think that's enough to give it that coconut flavor. I'm going to add my bell peppers. I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm not adding a lot of seasoning, guys. Just black pepper. So guys, this is my fried up saltfish with tomato and sweet bell pepper and garlic. And I'm gonna add my green onion over it now, guys. Guys, I will share a plate and let you see my finished product of my fried up saltfish and my 2-finger banana for breakfast. This is a very easy breakfast, guys. I'm gonna get a plate and show you the finished product, guys. So stay tuned and keep watching. So okay guys, so this is my finished product of my fried up saltfish with onion, scallion and tomato and my 2-finger plantain. Guys, this is very light for breakfast, guys. Just 2-finger banana, 1 slice of yam and 2 pieces of plantain, guys. So remember, this is a quick breakfast, guys. In 20 minutes you can make this at home, guys. Take no time. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, please. And tell me where you're watching from, guys. So see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.